Hello everyone. Among the handful of things that might automatically send your calls to voicemail is network, do not disturb, blocked numbers, call forwarding, Bluetooth connections, your SIM card, and flight mode. So now I'm going through these features one by one to solve this problem, because when you enable one of these features that affects the service in your iPhone, first, network. You need at least 3 bars in your iPhone to be able to make and receive calls, send and receive texting, and use internet in your iPhone. If you don't have 3 bars in your iPhone, any incoming calls you get in your iPhone will go straight to voicemail. So I'm going to share a quick solution to fix network problems. Go to settings, look for flight mode or airplane mode. Just turn it on for 2 seconds and turn it off. That can refresh network in your iPhone. Second feature is do not disturb. You can use do not disturb to silence calls, alerts, and notifications. So if do not disturb is enabled in your iPhone, your calls will go straight to voicemail. Go to settings, look for focus, and just make sure this option is not scheduled. It's do not disturb. You can add people, you can add apps. For example, you tap here, you add people you want to silence. For example, you select the contact and you're done. Tap done. If there is a number there, just disable it. Feature number 3, blocked numbers. If you block a number, that contact can still call you. So any calls you get from a blocked number will go straight to voicemail. I'm going to show you how to check blocked numbers. Go to settings, look for phone, open it, and go to blocked contacts or blocked numbers. If there is any number there, as you can see here, I have some numbers here. So just press edit and remove those numbers. Any calls you're getting from them will go straight to voicemail. Check blocked contacts or blocked numbers just to make sure you did not block any number. So the next more important feature I would like to discuss with you today is called call forwarding. Call forwarding will transfer all incoming calls to another number, a landline, a business number. If you have accidentally enabled call forwarding, any incoming calls will go to a different number. You will not be able to answer your calls in your iPhone. Just make sure you did not enable call forwarding in your iPhone. Go to settings, go again to phone. You will see call forwarding. Just make sure it's off and there is no number there. If there is a number here, for example, let's add a number, tap call forwarding. If there is a number there, all of your calls will be transferred to that number. You will not be able to answer your calls in your iPhone because you have transferred all your calls to a different number. So to remove the number, just tap the number, remove the number. There is a little arrow here. Just tap that and call forwarding will be disabled. Next feature I would like to discuss with you is the Bluetooth connections. Just make sure you do not enable any Bluetooth connections or pairing with other devices when you're taking calls. If your calls go straight to voicemail, just make sure it's disabled. So go again to settings. You will see Bluetooth is at the top right here, and just make sure it's off. The next feature I would like to discuss with you is your own SIM card. If your SIM card is locked for some reason, or if your account is suspended for non-payments, any calls you receive from someone will go straight to voicemail. Just check the status of your account. So the next thing I would like to discuss with you is flight mode or airplane mode. If airplane mode is enabled in your iPhone, you will not be able to use the service in your iPhone. No texting, no calling, no internet. Just make sure airplane mode or flight mode is turned off in your iPhone. So that's it guys, that's what I wanted to share with you today. Don't forget to subscribe. See you in the next video.